Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use a PayPal business account. If you want to separate your personal payments from your business transactions, or you just want your business name to appear instead of your real one, this tutorial will walk you through everything step by step. Let's get started. First, before creating your business account, you'll need to create a new email address specifically for your business. This helps keep your business identity separate from your personal one. It also ensures that when you send or receive money, people will see your business name instead of your real name. Keep in mind that PayPal will ask for proof of your business name during the verification process. So make sure the information you use is legitimate. If you don't actually have a business or official registration, you won't be able to use this method to hide your real name once your new business email is ready. Go to paypal.com and sign in using your existing PayPal credentials. When you're logged in, click the gear icon in the top right corner to open your account settings on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll down and click Upgrade to a business account. This option lets you switch your personal PayPal into a business one, or create a new business account entirely. Now you'll be asked how you want to continue. Select Use a new email with your business account. This keeps your personal PayPal open while creating a separate business account. If you'd rather upgrade your current one and don't mind closing your personal account, you can choose the other option, use your current email address. Once you've made your choice, click the blue Next button at the bottom of the page. Next. Enter your new business email address and click Continue. From here, PayPal will walk you through the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to fill in your business name, contact details, and general information about your business. Make sure the business name you enter is exactly how you want it to appear to customers because that's the name they'll see when they receive payments or invoices from you. PayPal will also ask for your employer ID number or your sole proprietor ID for tax purposes. If you don't have one, you can use your social security number instead. Once you've finished entering your information, your PayPal business account will be ready to use. You can now send and receive payments, create invoices, and even link your regular bank account for withdrawals, even though your real name is still connected to your bank. Don't worry, your customers or clients won't see it. They'll only see your business name, and that's it. You've successfully created and set up your PayPal business account. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more PayPal and online business tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.